Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 5933. This ran from 08 2006 to 04 2013. It has a 6G75 3.8 litre petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 6G75 3.8 litre petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear door, 1 small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 1 small dent. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right rear door, slight fold and 1 small dent. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right front door, 1 small dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel with some wear. Instrument cluster.